So in this video, we want to talk about Tesla, and since Trump was announced the next president of the US, the stock is up nearly 100% in about 6 weeks, which is pretty crazy. And currently, for the week, if it was to end today, would be at all-time highs. But this could just be the start. As Gary Black of the Future Fund LLC thinks prices are going a lot higher. So on Wednesday, Gary Black of the Future Fund LLC projected that Tesla could surpass its all-time high as early as today, which it did. This anticipated milestone comes despite a significant decrease in the adjusted earnings estimates for Tesla in fiscal year 2024, which has been reduced by 63%. But it's really about future earnings. Now, the Future Fund LLC highlighted that Tesla's previous peak was driven by expectations of a 50% growth in volume, boosted by the surge in global EV adoption and the popularity of the Model Y. However, Elon's current forecast for fiscal year 2025 predicts a volume growth of only 20-30%, a substantial decline from prior expectations. The firm's optimism for Tesla's future is also based on the anticipation of the new Model 3 hatchback launched in the first half of 2025. This new vehicle is expected to expand Tesla's total addressable market, also known as TAM, in the global compact car category, which could secure a 12 to 15% market share. Now, the Future Funded LLC adjusted EPS forecast for Tesla in fiscal year 2025 is $3.80, which is 15% higher than the Wall Street consensus of $3.29. So here's what is differentiating the higher price for Tesla. So the Future Fund draws parallels to the situation in 2020 when the introduction of the Model Y was seen as an extension into the crossover utility vehicle segment, as a perspective that many on Wall Street failed to share at the time. Now, the Future Fund sees a similar pattern of underestimation occurring with the upcoming Tesla compact model 2025. All right, so before we look at current price, we need to look at where we came from. And you got to go back all the way to December of 2022, where prices collapsed after this head and shoulder pattern was formed. However, prices found support near that psychological $100 level before moving higher, hitting that shoulder, the right shoulder, at another round psychological number of $300 before moving lower, and then hitting this daily buy level at 140. Anybody that got long, congratulations at these levels, as it was no looking back. Now, this is just the month of December, and prices are almost up $100, which is insane. And again, if price was to close the week, you would be closing at all-time highs. Let's go down to the weekly chart, because the charts are suggesting don't chase price. You have a nice weekly buy level that was formed. At $340. And so the best setup the charts are suggesting is if you get a pullback, then one can go long, with a target coming in at the $500 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.